Why do you need a logical partition for OS setup? Imagine trying to organize a messy desk with papers, folders, and supplies all mixed together. It's hard to find what you need quickly. The same idea applies to your computer's hard drive. When setting up an operating system, creating a logical partition helps keep everything neat and manageable. A logical partition is a way to divide your hard drive into separate sections inside an extended partition. Unlike primary partitions, which are limited to per disk, logical partitions can be many. This means you can create as many as your storage space allows, making it easier to organize your data. One big reason to use a logical partition is to keep your operating system separate from your personal files. For example, you might have one partition just for Windows or Linux, and another for your music, photos, or documents. If the operating system crashes or needs to be reinstalled, your data stays safe on the other partition. Logical partitions also make it simple to install multiple operating systems on the same computer. You can have Windows on one partition and Linux on another. Each OS has its own space, so they won't interfere with each other. This setup is handy for testing or using different software environments. Another benefit is better storage management. You can allocate specific sizes to each partition based on your needs. For example, you might give 100 gigabytes to the OS and 200 gigabytes to data. This prevents any one partition from becoming too full or too empty, helping your system run smoothly. During OS installation, creating a logical partition is often part of the process. You'll see options to choose where to install the OS, and selecting a logical partition makes it easier to organize your drive. It also helps in future upgrades or reinstallation, since your data remains untouched on other partitions. In server environments or when using virtual machines, logical partitions are very useful. They allow you to run multiple applications or virtual systems on a single physical drive without cluttering the space. Backup and recovery become simpler too because you can isolate system files from your data. In summary, using a logical partition during OS setup helps keep your drive organized, protects your data, allows multiple operating systems, and makes managing storage much easier. It's a smart way to set up your computer for both everyday use and future growth.